Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and right here I have a dry pieced title from treasureboxdesigns.com called Title Making Memories. It's not glued down, that's why it means it's dry pieced, so I could figure out what I wanted to use color-wise. But here's a snapshot of how to get the file. The highlighted areas, you can either just go to the left column and click Title and scroll through them, or in the bottom left, you can type in title making and it'll bring you straight to that file. Let's get to gluing, guys. So I am using all my materials from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop except for my Xyron sticker maker. I use Barely Art glue and art glitter glue. It just depends on what's available because sometimes they're sold out as it is in high demand. I did use my Xyron sticker makers just for my letters. It's my preference just because my hands don't always work the way that I want them to. So I am a sucker for Plike paper. It is my best friend and my go-to. I did use red and black Plike paper on my little Mickey, and my yellow, the piece that goes behind the red, is going to be Honey Bear by Encore. If you ever make a Pooh or a Pooh theme paper or layout, even a card like a Get Well or the Ho Hum, that is the perfect paper along with vermilion. I learned about vermilion from Michelle at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I actually love that color as well now. So my base gray paper is going to be Dolphin. That is the color, and it is by Encore. I am now layering it with just plain white by American Crafts because I bought multi-packs. And I'm trying to use up what I have before I add to my collection. But the white in Encore that I will be replacing my American Crafts with is called Snowy White. That Quick Glimpse is the yellow that my stars are cut out of. And you could actually get by with just that glitter silk variety pack for all of the glitter paper pieces in this file, just because it has so many different colors in that pack that will work for this project. So now that we got our base together, we're going to add the Mickey that we glued together in the beginning, and he does need to go down first because the lettering, whether you do the word magical first or moments first, he needs to be under them. Dry piecing will help you also ensure that you are doing the correct order and that you like your work before you glue it down. I've tried to pill up work and it doesn't work that well with art glitter glue or Barely Art. It does rip your paper because it is permanent archival glue, so it will last an eternity. Now, I did cut out the word magical in 2 options because I wanted to see what worked best for my liking. You may go with something completely different, such as the paper out of the glitter silk variety pack. The yellow is going to be sunshiny out of the glitter silk variety pack. The black I went with is Black Tie Couture. It is a glitter infused cardstock where you can see the cardstock and the glitter. And I think the best description I can give is it looks like somebody seasoned the paper with some glitter sprinkles and put a semi-gloss over it. So you get the best of both worlds. Now, if you're looking for just something that looks like you glittered everything, that's where this Vampire Red Glitter Luxe paper comes in by Encore. And I did cut out the title word magical in Black Velvet Glitter Luxe and in Black Tie Couture also, just because it gave me 2 choices if I didn't want to overpower my piece with glitter and I wanted to tone it down a little. That's where the black tie decision came from. I am going to get some foam dots from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop out of my drawer that I've already purchased and probably pop up my magical word to give it even more dimension. I just have to make the decision once again if I want to use the Black Velvet Glitter Luxe or the Black Tie Couture. And I get that it's hard to know where to start, so I recommend just buying single sheets of things. Don't start with the 10, 25 count, etc. Just a single sheet, and if you can use that entire sheet and you look at the last bit of scrap that you have and you're like, man, I am out of this and I can't live without it, that's when you know to order those bigger quantities. And also order the variety packs. Those will let you know which colors you use more of and you're able to apply to more things. But thank you for watching and have a good day, guys.